Hello everyone, I am Aniket Dattatreya Takle. Today I am telling about male reproductive system in detail. So let's start. The male reproductive system includes testes, external genitalia, that is penis and accessory ducts, namely retitestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. Unlike the female reproductive system, most parts of the male reproductive system are located outside the body. Apart from these parts, the male reproductive system also includes the male accessory glands that are prostate glands, seminal vesicles, and bulbourethral glands. So, when we are study about the male reproductive system, one question is arised in your mind: what is meant by reproduction? So reproduction is nothing but the biological process of producing offsprings of the same kind. It is one of the essential processes that help in providing the continuation of the species generation after generation. In that, there are two different types of reproduction. First one is sexual reproduction, and second one is asexual reproduction. In that sexual reproduction, it includes the fusion of male and female gametes that are produced inside the male and female reproductive parts, respectively. And second one is asexual reproduction, in that it does not involve the fusion of male and female gametes. Only one parent is involved, and the offspring produced is genetically identical to the parent. So, in detail, a study of male reproductive system. In that, the male reproductive system includes the testes, scrotum, spermatic ducts, male accessory glands, and penis. All these organs work together to produce sperms, the male gamete, male sex hormones, and other components of semen. In that, penis and urethra are a part of both the reproductive and urinary system. That also scrotum, seminal vesicles, vas deferens, testes is also called as testicles, and prostate constitute all the remaining male reproductive system. In that, the penis has a root that is connected to the structures of both the pelvic bones and lower abdominal. That means the shaft's visible part. Glands that has a cone shaped end. In that, the urethra's opening is the channel that carries semen and urine and lies at the tip of the penis. The base of the penis is also known as corona. In that, first one is penis. That penis, it is the male external genitalia. It involves three cylindrical spaces of erectile tissues. In that, the two of which are larger and the corpora cavernosa lie side by side, and the third one is the sinus called corpus spongiosum covers the urethra. In that, the penis becomes rigid when these spaces are filled with blood. In that, the tissues help in the erection of the penis and facilitate insemination. That means the foreskin covers the enlarged end of the penis called as glans penis. Second one is scrotum. Scrotum is nothing but the sac of thick skin that protects and surrounds the testes. It also controls the temperatures of the testes, since they have to be at a slightly lower temperature than the body temperature for suitable sperm creation. In that, the muscles in the wall allow the testes to hang far from the body or shrink to pull them closer for protection and warmth. Third one is testes. Testing is nothing but the pair of testes are present in humans. In that, testes are present outside the body in a pouch called as scrotum. They are oval bodies around 4 to 5 centimeter in length and 2 to 3 centimeter wide. Generally, the left testis hangs slightly lower than the right one. In that, the two primary functions of testes, first one is producing testosterone, that means it is called as a male sex hormone, and second one is producing sperms or spermatogenesis, that means a carrier of man's genes. In that, each testis contains about 250 testicular lobules or compartments. In that, sperms are produced in the seminiferous tubules. Each testicular lobule contains 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules are lined by two types of cells. First one is spermatogonium or male germ cells, that means they undergo spermatogenesis to produce sperms, and second one is Sertoli cells, they provide nutrition to germ cells. In that, Leydig cells or interstitial cells are present outside the seminiferous tubules in the interstitial spaces. They secrete male sex hormones or androgens, examples testosterone. In that male sex accessory ducts, in that retitestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens are male sex accessory ducts. In that, seminiferous tubules open into retitestis, which leads to vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia opens into the epididymis, and epididymis leads to vas deferens. It leads to the ejaculatory duct along with a duct from the seminal vesicles. Sperms mature in this duct. In that, sperms are stored and transported through these ducts. Next one is urethra. Urethra is nothing but a tube-like structure that connects the urinary bladder to the urinary meatus. In males, the urethra travels through the penis and is mainly involved in two main functions. First function is in that region is included in the urinary tract that takes urine from the bladder where semen is ejaculated, and second function is in that the prostate exists beneath the bladder and covers the urethra. That means the prostate grows larger with age. In that, if the prostate grows too much, it can block the urine flow through the urethra and be responsible for some urinary symptoms. In that, male accessory glands. In that, the male accessory glands includes seminal vesicles, prostate, and bulbourethral glands. In that, a pair of seminal vesicles are present. That means the seminal vesicles are present over the prostate, linked with the vas deferens to create the ejaculatory ducts that travel through the prostate. That means the male accessory glands generate fluid that nourishes the sperm. In that, it is called as seminal plasma. In that, this fluid is rich in fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. It constitutes the maximum volume of the semen wherein the sperm is ejected during ejaculation. That's all about male reproductive system in humans. Thank you.